A month times 12, that's 60% per year. Looking for the next Microsoft or the next Apple, but they cannot stop overspending. No investment. For life insurance, no emergency fund. We have stock now, but I'm signing outside, video, rental, YouTube, movie, total of more than 20,000 a month. Just imagine 20,000
Again, I guess one of our crusade as IMG is we give financial education because most of the time, ang natuturo lang ng tao is how to work for the money, but they don't learn how to let money work for them. So IMG's main mission and crusade is to give financial education. We believe in no family left behind, and we believe on financial education, teaching everybody on a grand scale. Hindi lang po financial education para sa mayayaman, para po sa that the people who earn abroad, they understand how to save properly, because what's the use sa savings kung tinatapon din naman natin ang pera, hindi natin iniipon.
Sanang mananawagan sa lahat ng mga Filipino dito sa France na kami po ay nagtuturo ng financial literacy. Kasi po marami po mga Pilipino na nalulubog sa utang at hindi natutunan nilang mag-ipon. So we are encouraging you to join this advocacy para po makalaya na po
sa France. Ako po ay dating nagtrabaho po sa bangko. Nag-pioneer po ng remittance center sa South. No? So, isa po sa mga realization ko sa mga kababayan po natin doon na lumalapit sa akin at mag-o-open ng savings account. Dahil for 20-30 years na dito sa abroad, hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin pong savings. And some people, may savings nga po sila, hindi lang nila alam kung saan ilalagay ang pera nila kasi natatakot sila dahil sa mga, mga networking scam. Mga kababayang OFW, inimbitahan namin kayo, makasama namin kayo sa advokasya po na ito na pagsisiwalat ng financial education.
For economy. But ang economy na mga call center, mo hanggang dyan ka lang. But imagine, if you have been taken out of the picture, nandiyan pa ba ang family mo? Bababa sa poverty. Can you allow that to happen? So the purpose of life insurance is, kahit mawala ka, your income will be replaced. Nandiyan pa rin ang family. Ang invest. So people focus on life. So we want to help people in life and death. Kailangan ng hospital. May pagtulong ka ba? Like in the Philippines, kahit anong emergency, kailangan operahan, hindi siya ipapasok sa operating. So, paano kaya sila yumaman? Kaya talagang chinik ko rin tayo ko, no? Kasi like us, trabahante rin sila eh. So, tinitingnan ko, work is about 10 hours a day, no? You have savings now, but your responsibility is bigger than your savings. States mean, you wake up one day, lubog sa utang, saan ang joy, saan ang happiness? So, sinasabi nila, nagitan to be grow. So, sabi na lumubog kami sa utang. Sinubukan namin utangan. Kasi kailangan magbayad ng tuition ng mga bata. So, alam niyo yung feeling na maghapon kang dadakdakan. Pero pagdating ng 4 na oras, pinagsasalitaan, dating 5 kotse ang susundo. Bakit? Pasalubog. Ayun, di pagdating na, ang bigat-bigat nyo, pag-alis nyo, ang gaan nyo. Yun, that's the start of the
Anong next natin tanong? Paano? Paano lang ako? Ganun din ako. Siyempre gusto ko yumaman, pero paano? So sabi niya, 4 na ways daw para yumaman. First, if you want to become wealthy, just marry one that's wealthy. Kaso lang, you're not sure, di ba? Hindi yun sigurado, so scrap. The other one, you want to become wealthy, try to become a doctor daw. Which makes sense, kasi tinignan ko, mostly, mayayaman, like sa America and other places, mga doktor. Pero ang problema, nakita ko, it takes 10 years to become a doctor. After that, hindi ka pa mayaman. It takes another 10 years to gain a good reputation. So usually, ang mayayamang doktor, mga ano na, pwede mo tandaan na, so hindi na rin na-enjoy. Di ba? So, I felt na, that one, take too long, hindi mo na ma-enjoy yung yaman. The other one, the third one, sabi niya, if you want to become wealthy, try to win the lotto. But tinignan ko sa libro, what are your chances of winning the lotto? Chances of winning the lotto is 1 for every 5.4 million. Sabi ng libro, kasi maglalaro ka naman ng lotto, basahin mo na yung libro. Sabi ng libro, it takes, para ka daw natamaan, para ka manalo sa lotto, para ka daw natamaan ng kidlat 2 beses sa isang lugar. Almost what? Impossible. Kaya marami akong kilala, naglalaro ng lotto, namatay na lang, hindi pa nanalo. So number 3, para sa akin, it also doesn't work. So, ano yung pang-apat? Sabi nila, pang-apat, own your own business. And that felt like something correct. So I did my research. When I researched, I thought that the wealthy people are just the famous people. Para kayo maman, kailangan ka famous. Diba? Kailangan ka maging Pacquiao, kailangan ka maging famous basketball player, kailangan ka maging basketball, you know. So, but I realized na hindi pala totoo yun. Only 4% of the wealthy people are famous. 96% of the wealthy people are... Pero let's be realistic. By the time lumaki sila and everything, magkakaroon na rin sila ng another family. So guess ang priority nila? Hindi na ikaw. Lipat ka naman doon. Di ba? At lipat ka naman sa isa. Pero kung malaki-laki ang ipon mo, nice kang Filipino. I'll tell you what's the biggest advantage Filipino? We work pretty hard. Of course, these are all very, very stable companies. Because these are companies that's over 100 years old. So may laki pong company. Siyempre, time is very important dito. Kasi alam ko in other countries, pag tinanong ko sila, magkano po ang rate ng utang ninyo, memorize nila. Pero pag tinanong ko, because, you know what, let's be real.
That guy that you listened to a while ago, si Sir Joan de las Planas, is the guy that was met by Bo Sanchez himself at nang nag-mentor kay Bo Sanchez together with Mr. Noel Randilla. So palakpakan po natin Sir Joan de las Planas. We're so blessed. Alam niyo po magkano bayad sa kanila? It's a Rolex watch, gold watch, for marketing director. Rolex, design lang po. Sir congratulations po, Pastor. Could we invite Sir Joanne and Sir Bart to join the photo? Opo.
Para mas marami pang mga Kristiyanong maturuan ng financial literacy at the same time hindi na makapag-ipon, ang pera na ang magtatrabaho para sa aming lahat.
Wala pong mangyayari kung mabubuhay po tayo sa nakaraan. I'm 40 years old, I have 2 daughters, and my wife is, pero po siyang sakit din, ano? But then again, I never stop dreaming and I never stop doing what I have to do. Sabi nga pong ganun, I would rather fail doing something than fail doing nothing. So hanggang kailan, kabayan, na gusto mong maging OFW? Hanggang kailan? Okay? Kailan mo gusto mo makasama ang pamilya mo? In 1 year, you can make miracle. Sir Bart, 9 months. Okay? What about you guys? No? So how many years so that you can be your dream? So once again, maraming salamat po sa mga dumalo. The Knights of Rizal, ABS-CBN, other associations, especially the JCO, ang guest natin, ating mga speaker. Now can we invite everybody to join us?